Hello guys. So guys, today I'm going to show you some tips and techniques in computer, on desktop, on Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel. So now you can see this is our desktop and we have to make a folder, but I don't want to make a folder like this from here. I want to use only shortcut keys and create the folder without touching the mouse. So what will I do? I will hold CTRL+SHIFT+N. So you can see our folder has been created. Now you can write any of the name for this. Come on the next step. So I want to hide this folder. This folder will remain, but this folder I want to hide. So what will I do? I will select this folder, right click, and after that I will click to the properties, and there is one option hidden. I will click on it, apply, OK. So now you can see our folder has been hidden. So now there is one amazing trip. You want to show your friends your computer has been hacked and it's fake. So what will you do? You will press Window key plus R and here write CMD. You will go to the DOS command, DOS prompt, and here you will write directory/s. So you see, it looks like your computer has been hacked. You have to close it and close the doors. It will close. Now the next steps. Okay, this is our Excel sheet and we type different things in different cells, numbers or the text, but now I am showing you whatever you type, it will not come, only the things will come what you want, and you cannot do anything. So what will you do? First you will select this, the whole sheet, and you will press Control 1. Here you will go to custom and remove the general, and you will write 3 semicolon 1 2 3. Then in inverted commas you will write you cannot do, inverted commas close, and we will press OK. Then whatever you will write here, suppose number 4, see, it will come, you cannot do it.